हेलो एभ्रिवान, यहाँ छ मसँग एलिभेटर जसले चाहिँ तलको सामान माथि पुर्याउने काम गर्छ र फेरि माथिको सेन्सरको मद्दतले त्यसलाई एकछिनपछि फेरि तल पुर्याउने काम गर्छ र तलको सेन्सरले फेरि त्यसलाई कन्ट्रोल गरेर फेरि माथि पुर्याउने काम गर्छ। यसरी मैले यहाँ एलिभेटरको मोडल बनाएको छु जुन चाहिँ ठुल्ठुलो मेसिनहरुमा ठुल्ठुलो बिल्डिङहरुमा चाहिँ सामान तलदेखि माथि पुर्याउनको लागि एकदम मद्दत हुन्छ। र यो एलिभेटर कसरी बनाउने भन्ने बारेमा पनि मैले पुरै प्रोसेस भिडियोमा हालेको छु। कृपया भिडियो चाहिँ सुरुदेखि अन्तिमसम्म हेरिदिनु होला। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस भिडियो। To make this project we need different types of module, and here this is a stepper motor. To drive this stepper motor we need the motor driver, and here is the Arduino where I gives the program to control this all, and I need two IR sensor to control this upside and downside. There are two IR sensors, IR proximity sensors are these, and likewise I need some jumper wires to connect this all setup. Now one by one I am going to connect, and for the backup I am going to give 12-volt power for this. Now I am going to connect the wires of stepper motor in this motor driver. These two wire in one place and these two wire in another place. And here are the three terminals. The first terminal is the 12-volt which I am going to give from the power supply to this motor driver. So this wire works as a main supplier wire, and this wire acts as a ground of the main power supply which provide the negative, and this port has to supply 5-volt power supply to the IR sensor Arduino and the next IR sensor for all. Now I am going to give one ground for Arduino, and I am going to give 5-volt power supply also for the Arduino to run. So voltage in. So I have given power supply for the Arduino also. Now I am going to connect the IR sensor first to see the object downside. So I am going to paste it here. So now I am going to connect the ground which is blue in the ground portion. This is the ground portion, and also I am going to give 5-volt power supply for the first IR sensor from here. And this is the output terminal A0 for the IR sensor which is given in the program. Now I am going to connect this A0 in the Arduino, and now the work of this IR sensor is completed. Now I have to connect this IR sensor to send the load downside. So the connection of this IR sensor also get completed. Now after this there remain to connect the jumper wire to control this motor driver by the Arduino. That's why I am connecting this 4 pin here from N1 to N4. You connect the pin from 8 to 11 here. Now it is the time to give code for the Arduino. That's why I am plugging this cable in this port. The code is given in the description. You can copy from there and you can use in your project if you want to make like such. And now I am uploading the code. तपाईलाई कन्सेप्ट कस्तो लाग्यो? यदि कन्सेप्ट राम्रो लागेमा यदि यो एलिभेटर राम्रो लागेमा चाहिँ यो च्यानल सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नभुल्नु होला। फेरि यस्तै भिडियो फेरि पनि लिएर आउने नै छु। त्यति बेला सबैको लागि हस्त धन्यवाद। नमस्कार।